Okay, so welcome back to another video of the Parl. And for all my subscribers and my viewers, thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for just, being good to what I aspire to do. So thank you for the support, and I hope one day I might be able to support you on something that you're trying to achieve with your life as well. So for this YouTube video, I am basically just giving a glimpse into what my life is like anytime I might spend time around my father or his brother. And this time might be spent on a backhoe in trucks or going through the bushes looking for cows, which for me, it's something that I truly love to do, and I think it's just fun. And yeah, I have one of the most fun while being outdoors doing these types of stuff ever since I was a child. So I didn't capture much recording because sometimes I'm usually busy. So this is like a short glimpse, and I hope you enjoy seeing what my life is like, and especially my nephew's life these days, because they spend a lot more time around them than I do now. So please enjoy the video.
Come.
Yeah.
What are you?
Girls that were working.
People in the army have to get swim.
Yeah, you can't swim. But think you pretend. Turn on the same one.
You get it.
Him can swim.
Watch him, Shalom, watch him.
Go down.
Right, down. Hold him there, hold him there, hold him there. Watch out, hold him.
Hold on.
How am I shit?
My uncle's youngest daughter is also a pretty good truck driver and backhoe driver. And whenever I get some videos with her, I'll create a video for you guys to see her skills for yourself. So yeah, spending time around my uncle, you will be guaranteed a skill. That's for sure. Because his kids are very good truck drivers and backhoe drivers are, yeah. So any one of his kids that actually grew up around him, they're pretty talented with those things. So yeah, and my cousin is actually studying to be a doctor as well, along with the skills she has. So I like to tell her that she's pretty talented. So whenever I get some videos of her, I'll show you her skills and talents. So thanks again for watching the video, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't as yet, and to turn on the notification bell so you can get updates when a new video has been uploaded. And please leave a comment and like the video if you truly do like the video, and just stay tuned for another video.